Hi students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about Unit 2, a small story. That is supplementary story. Practice makes a man perfect. Shall we move on to the story, children? Long ago, there lived an archer named Uttaman. Who was the archer? Uttaman was a archer. During his time, the forest and animals filled the lands. He was a skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Feats meaning something you do that shows great strength, skill, or courage. He could hit the center of the target precisely. Precisely means directly or simply. No matter how far the target was, he was also a show off. He liked to show his skills for the crowds to admire. One day, as usual, he was shooting arrows at the targets. The admirers watched in awe. At that time, a man with a beard as white as snow, carrying oil gourds, joined the crowd and stood at the back. As Uttaman finished, the crowd clapped and cheered for him, except the oil seller. He neither clapped nor cheered. Suddenly, with a deep and loud tone, he said, "It's just a matter of practice." Uttaman got annoyed. That is, he was irritated by the oil seller. The irritated Uttaman asked, "Are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I do?" Children, don't annoy unknown persons. Each and everybody has their own talent, children, so you don't annoy it. The old man said calmly, "No, sir, I am not an archer. I don't doubt your skills. All I said was that everything was a matter of practice." Just I said everything was a matter of practice. Uttaman was red in anger, red in anger. "What do you know to pass such artless commands on others? Who are you?" "Sir, there is no reason to be angry. I am a simple oil seller. I am sure you must have guessed that by seeing my gods. I fill these gods with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gods. If you allow, I'll show it to you," said the old man. Uttaman, in a mocking tone, said, "Show us your skills." Everyone was curious to see that how the oil seller filled these gourds. They wanted to see what would happen next. The crowd inched closer to get a clear view of the oil seller. Unfazed by the crowd and by habit, the oil seller was calm. Unfazed means worried, shocked, or not confused. He patiently placed an empty gourd on the ground. He then placed a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. He placed a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. The small coins, made of copper, had a small hole at its center. The oil seller stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd. He began to pour into the gourd. From the height he poured the oil. It went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the oil seller had finished filling the gourd, he lifted the coin. He showed people that the coin did not have any trace of oil. The crowd was shocked to silence. Then one person cheered, and soon the entire crowd burst into a loud cheer for the oil seller. The oil seller smiled and said, "As I told, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice." Uttaman was just as surprised as the crowd. He smiled and said, "You have taught me something today. Thank you, children." What do you learn from this? From the supplementary, children? Practice makes a man perfect. Okay.